All right, what's up, everybody? So it's like the last day of January 2024, and it's time for a sketchbook tour. So the first video I'm going to do another one when I get home with my watercolor paintings and stuff like that. But the first one I'm going to talk about is my mini sketchbook. This one here is small. It sits in my vest when I'm at work. So when I'm on break, and when I'm on lunch, I just, I pull this thing out, and this is what I do my sketches in while I'm on break and lunch. It kind of calms me down after a busy day or during a busy day. And it gives me that, we get like an hour lunch break and 15-minute break. So it kind of gives me that kind of quick sketching, nothing highly detailed or anything like that. So it might kind of makes my creative drive a little bit more time sensitive. So it's like, if I can sketch stuff that's good in such a quick time, it actually helps myself become a better artist. So when I sit down for like a 2-hour, 3-hour longer painting or drawing, my art should translate into being even better quality. So if I can get good at drawing something so quick on break lunches, then it helps my art out long term. That's my opinion. I don't know about everybody else, but I'm going to open this thing up and we're going to take a look at what I've done. I think I got like 11 pages drawn in this one. So let's check it out. All right, so I'm gonna open this thing up. There's my Goofy. That's from December, so I had my Goofy back when it was 79 days to Disney. We're going on Disney in March. Can't wait, first time going. This was a little recap, you can say now. Home Alone, did in December, 74 days with the Cars. And that one, Nightmare Before Christmas. Some Daffy Duck. I was just kind of trying to get used to like drawing scenery. That was completely awful. I gave up on that. All right, so get to this month. So I started out the little turtle from Finding Nemo. One of my favorite Pixar characters, and definitely one of my favorites in that movie. So that one, it took me a lunch break to be able to do that. So you say roughly about an hour, but I actually get them done a whole lot quicker than that. It blows all my coworkers away how quickly I can get the stuff done. But I liked how this one turned out. We'll go to the second one I've done. Little Harry Potter with the little owl in a cage. So there's that one there. I'm not a big Harry Potter fan, but I do need to get back and start watching the movies and maybe draw some more stuff. They got some great artwork to be able to do. Next one, there's the genie from Aladdin. I'm actually wanting to do a live stream on a genie painting. I want to do a watercolor painting of them because I love that character. Hilarious, great movie and everything like that. So look for another time-lapse video on me painting up the genie. There's a little Reaper that I drew on first break one day. So that took about 15 minutes to do. Just a quick little sketch and minor detail. All right, next one is Yoda. Little Yoda / Harry Potter kind of mixture, mashup. So you can still kind of see where I did my little base lines up and down, left to right, to kind of get the eyes lined up and the center of the face lined up. So that was not too bad. A little circle right there. I drew a little base circle for the hand. I wasn't too impressed with the hand, but hey, it is what it is. Just sketches get you better. Here's one with the Road Runner I did one day. I tried making a little bit better detail kind of in his feathers and a little shading instead of just a basic Roadrunner, kind of like he's just solid blue, no detail. So a little bit more detail to him, but there's that one. The next one I did was Scooby-Doo in an airplane. with a little bit of detail in the plane, but not too bad. I enjoyed doing this one, but a little Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Another one from Harry Potter. I can't remember. Mandrake, I think it's called. If I got that right in the comments, let me know. Is it Mandrake or name something else? It's like when those potato type characters, if you ever watch Harry Potter, where they pull them out of the dirt. There's that one. And I'm a big fan of Edgar Allan Poe, so I did a little mashup of Raven with the quote, "There is no beauty without some strangeness." Edgar Allan Poe. There's a Steamboat Steamboat Willie. I drew 1928, but I wasn't too impressed with his head here. I definitely can do a whole lot better than that, but kind of gets me used to drawing him, so when I do future videos, it will look a lot better. So this is my last one, a little sketch. I'm not that great with people, so it kind of gives me a little getting used to drawing more people and stuff like this. So this is very rough. To me, it's very awful. I did do a Gene Simmons painting, watercolor painting last week. I got that time-lapse video up. I thought it turned out great, but this one here turned out trash. But there you go. There's my mini sketchbook. You see how, compared to my hand, how big. It's about palm size on the artwork. But let me know down in the comments which one you guys like the best. And as always, write in the comments what you want to see me draw. I need drawing ideas. I get writer's block, artist block. So I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.